Welcome back. Well, everyone loves a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, but this edible version doesn't just look great, it tastes amazing too.
To show us how to make this absolutely show-stopping piece is owner of Bodhi restaurant Heavenly and her kids, Kai and Minka. Morning, guys.
Hi.
This is fantastic and very creative. I love the idea of eating the Christmas tree.
That's the best.
So the kids are involved as well. You're going to show us how to do it?
Yeah, so Kai will do the making of the dough. What we would normally do is we have the following ingredients. We have some flour, some rice, glutinous rice flour, a little bit of corn flour there as well, and then just some sugar and some butter and some vanilla and some coconut milk. So this dessert can be done gluten-free, it can be done dairy-free, or you could put the dairy in it if you wanted to.
Look how precise Kai is.
So
up
Kai,
there
what are you doing there?
I'm measuring how much the dough weighs, and it has to weigh up to 20 grams, and then I'm going to roll them into balls.
So are you weighing it to be 20 grams so they're all exactly the same?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
What a good shortcut that is.
Yeah.
Do you want to put yours in the tree?
No idea. And then what are you doing, Minka?
Well, I'm sticking all the donuts in the tree so we can make the lovely dessert.
Oh, that looks so good too, doesn't it?
Yeah, super simple. I mean, all you really need is a foam cone covered in some foil. We like to put a little bit of fairy lights in it as well, so it kind of lights up when we're having dinner. And it's just a great, easy dessert to entertain family and friends.
It even comes with fairy lights.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Incredible.
I know, and then just dust it with a little bit of icing sugar.
Okay, and now what are you putting in there? You've got some pomegranates there,
Yep.
Minka. What are you using those for?
This one here, we're going to put pomegranates inside. Yes.
Oh, yum.
And then a little bit of rosemary, just so it looks a little bit more like a Christmas tree.
Hang on, let me show you this one, just so maybe the camera can see how beautiful that is. That looks amazing. So that's inside one of them. So there's like a pomegranate explosion.
No, she's just playing with that in the background. Oh, we have some for you guys to try.
Really
if you
taken
want
with
to.
that.
Trap for young players, that one, Mom.
No.
There's no pomegranates
that's very
inside.
tricky.
But there's a few there to try if you're hungry and you want to have some donuts for
Love
breakfast.
to try. Mon, would you like to try one of these?
Of course.
I'm going to go around the front to let you
idea.
have a sample first.
Good job.
No, thank you, I'm all right.
Are you sure?
How do you actually cook these, Heaven?
All you need to do is fry them for a couple of minutes until slightly golden brown. So I recommend the adults do the oil cooking, the frying side of it, and the kids just do the dough and the pudding of the dessert together.
Oh, they're delicious.
They should be just a little bit chewier than a regular donut on the inside. And
Exceptional.
nice and easy. And I think it sort of is a good allergy-free dessert for those that are
I tell you, I'm qualified in the donut game too, so when I say exceptional, I've done my research.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that is delicious.
Excellent.
How do you get it so perfect where they don't look like they're burnt to buggery?
It's only just a couple of minutes, and don't put too many donuts in the pot when you're frying. If you put too many in, it will change the temperature of the oil. So just make sure you're just putting it in for a couple of minutes, a couple of donuts at a time. Take them out, drain them on a mat, and then let them cool before you
Do you
put
burn
them
your
on.
donuts, Mon?
I have, really badly.
It's just
so,
light.
and can we dip it in sauces? Like, could you do caramel sauce? Or
You can do
chocolate sauce?
caramel sauce. You can actually inject things into the donuts if you wanted to.
Like a
there's-
pomegranate.
Exactly, like a pomegranate. So there's all sorts of different things that you can do with this dessert. Glaze it, caramel sauce. Somebody backstage actually mentioned they'd like to put some alcohol with this one for the adults.
That was Mon, actually.
Yes. One tree for grown-ups, one tree for the kids. So you know-
Drizzle of champagne.
Yes, exactly. So just play with it, have fun with it. It should be a fun dessert for the whole family.
Delicious. Kai, what's your favourite thing to make at Christmas time?
My favourite thing to make is at Christmas time is probably make these.
This,
Yeah.
Oh, I
Well, that's
can see
because
why.
he tends to go eat one, put one on the tree, eat one, put one on the tree.
You've got our method of cooking, Kai. That's exactly what we do.
Oh, goodness.
How long does it take to make from go to woe?
Look, you need to let the dough rest for only about 30 minutes, so it's quite quick once you put your ingredients together. It's not long. I would say an hour tops, and you'd have your whole tree.
Oh, and look at how perfect Kai's little
Perfectly
donuts are.
round balls.
They're perfect. How fantastic.
Well done, guys.
For the late bloomers, Mon, like us, we put the Christmas trees up quite late in the process. This could serve as the Christmas
That is
tree.
the
You put it
Christmas
up on
tree.
December 24.
I totally agree. And then you leave
Eat
it up till April.
Yeah. Good luck there being one of those still around in April.
I don't recommend eating it after that long.
Thank you so much for coming in. Heaven, Minka, Kai, beautiful. I love it. Looks fantastic.
Thanks, guys.
You can find the full recipe over on the Sunrise website.
Well, coming up,
you do
coming
it.
up, a special surprise for Tones and I fans holidaying in Bali. And good morning, Melbourne, a mostly sunny 25 degrees, looking magnificent right now. You're watching Weekend Sunrise here on 7.